Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Who the heck is Nat? Thank you for joining today. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it. With that being said, I'd just like to touch on the recent quote-unquote crash of crypto, which, let's face it, it was not a crash. In my opinion and the opinion of many others, it's a correction, and we're going to see things come back up. We are. It's happening already. I like to listen to a few other crypto enthusiasts, and I like doing my own research. And in doing my own research and listening to these crypto enthusiasts, it makes sense what I'm hearing. Now, with that being said, please remember my videos are not financial advice and are for entertainment purposes only. So the first thing I'd like to bring up is this is my portfolio on CoinGecko, which I'm still working on completing. Not that. Let's see. Okay, so Bitcoin Street Journal had tweeted, on-chain data shows whales are accumulating Bitcoin despite fearful markets. And that was at 10 p.m. on 4/22. And then they also said on 4/22 at 8:51 a.m., data shows institutional demand for Ethereum surged despite the recent crash. Now, I listened to Elio Trades and Alex Becker on YouTube as well, and they're both saying similar things. This is something that Alex Becker saw coming. And he says it all over his Twitter page, just as predicted, seems to be a knowledgeable character in the crypto world and puts kind of a funny spin on things, which I tend to absorb things better that way. So check him out, Alex Becker. And then Elio Trades. I like listening to Elio Trades. Shows a little bit of opinion and research and some graphical data, which I like to see as well. So check those two out. But on Elio Trades, he very much so talks about, He very much so talks about that whales are coming in and selling these coins and doing this in the hopes that the newcomers and the rookies will sell their shares. It brings down the price. They buy more. They scoop it up. What I hear in the crypto world, load their bags as you empty yours. It really makes sense what I'm seeing, what the graphs are showing us, that this is a pullback, a correction, whales selling, shares to manipulate the market. Listen, let's be honest. Markets are manipulated, whether it's by whales or, manipulators. I won't get into that, but let's not start. With that being said, yeah, every market is manipulated. Who's manipulating it? Whether it's the silver industry or the crypto industry or gold or oil, whatever it is. It's all manipulated in some way, shape, or form. But I'm confident it's coming back, and it's already started to. So with that being said, I'm going to bring us over to CoinGecko. And still staking in Wise. Wise is back up to 51 cents. Theta, which I saw below $9, is now back up to 10.80. Banker X, 10 cents. Not loving that. BNB, Binance Coin, back up to 537. It was under 500. Then Veracity, back up over 3 cents, 3.7. And it was under 3 cents. It was at about 2.7, 2.9. Theta Fuel back up to 30 cents. I mean, look at Bitcoin, back up to over 54,000, right? So Ethereum back up to 24.87. Sorry, my phone is going off here. So Ethereum back up to 24.87. I mean, 2,487. Dogecoin, 26 cents. Polkadot back up to 32.91. I think I saw it go as low as $28, which I haven't seen in a while. So, you know, Tron is back up to 11 cents. Kusama, jumping right back up there, $3.94. In 24 hours, up 26%. So, listen, I'm sure you do it. I did it. You know, I should have got more of this. I should have got more of that. I did trade a little bit on Kraken during this time. I bought a little, and now I'm up a little, which is always good, right? It's good to be up, but it is really, really hard to go against those fears that, oh my God, it's going down. Just sell. Just get out of it. It's, you know, HODL. That's what they say in the crypto world, right? Well, I mean, I'm still a beginner on all of this, and again, my videos are not financial advice, but with that being said, I pushed through it, and a big part of me said, just buy a little more, buy a little of this, a little of that. You know, I was talking to my boyfriend about it. We were doing what we call a birdshot theory. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, as you can see by my portfolio here. With that being said, I believe in what we're doing. I believe in decentralized finance. I believe in cryptocurrency. So, you know, that's a big part of why I did hold on to what I had, and I didn't panic sell. You know, so that's where I'm at with it. Now, don't mind this, you know, some of the uncertainty in my tone in this video, because this really isn't my strong suit. Statistics and data and things like that. That's why I follow other crypto enthusiasts that are really good with this type of research. So I'm just kind of bringing my opinion, saying, listen, if you're getting nervous and you're getting scared, that's okay. I get nervous, I get scared. Feel like that's pretty normal. And you know, my thought is that even the people who have been in this a long time, they probably get a little nervous sometimes too, but then they tell themselves, listen, here's what my experience tells me. So all I'm saying is, if you're getting a little nervous, do some more research. Elio Trades, Alex Becker, Bitcoin Street Journal, and there's plenty of others out there. I obviously don't know all of them. And, you know, they're all showing this isn't a time to panic. This is time to, you know, hold on to what you have and buy some more. Buy some more of maybe what you couldn't afford before this. And as you can see, it's already going up. Another coin that I recently heard about while I have you here, oops, sorry about that, Decentraland and Shopping.io. Pretty interesting. I will do a separate video on those. So I'm looking into the Shopping.io website, and Decentraland, from what I've learned so far, is a coin about buying virtual land. Whole new world we're diving into here, isn't it? Interesting, fun, a little scary, but that's okay, right? So with all of that being said, I really appreciate you checking out my channel. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Not financial advice. And have a good morning, a good day, a good night, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope it's a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.